Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are diving into a massive challenge that pretty much every sales organization faces, those hidden bottlenecks that just completely choke your sales funnel and drain all your team's energy. We're going to break down exactly what they are and, more importantly, how the right tech can set you free.
Okay, let's just kick things off with a number that should really make you pause: 68%. According to some deep research from Doccurated, that is the amount of a sales rep's time spent on activities that are not selling. Think about that. That's almost 2/3 of their entire week spent not doing the one thing they were hired to do.
So that leads to the critical question, right? If they aren't selling, where is all that time going? And this isn't just about a few lost hours here and there. We're talking about lost momentum, missed opportunities, and at the end of the day, lost revenue. Every single minute your team spends on administrative stuff is a minute a competitor is out there talking to your customer.
To fix the problem, you first have to diagnose it. So we've identified 6 major bottlenecks that are slowing your team down. But we're not just going to admire the problems. For each one, we're going to look at the technology, the solution that can unchoke that funnel and get your team back to what they do best: selling.
Okay, so the first bottleneck hits you right at the start of the whole process. Manually trying to manage leads with things like spreadsheets and email, it's like trying to catch water with a fork. It's just slow, it's messy, and things fall through the cracks. In fact, up to half of all your leads, which are your future opportunities, they just get dropped. Why? Because there's no good, consistent way to follow up with them.
So what's the solution? You have to take the human guesswork, the manual data entry, the delay right out of the equation. Technology lets you build these amazing automated workflows that can score leads based on their behavior, instantly get the hottest prospects to the right reps, and keep nurturing those cooler leads with helpful content until they're actually ready to have a conversation.
And here's why that automation, specifically the speed, is so critical. Research from Inside Sales shows that your conversion rates are a staggering 8 times greater if you respond to a lead in the first 5 minutes. 8 times. That can literally be the difference between closing a deal and a lead going completely cold. All right, bottle number 2. I like to call this one the information scavenger hunt. Your team wastes so many precious hours digging through different systems, searching old email threads, looking at scribbled notes just to get a basic picture of the customer. And if they're out in the field, forget about it. Trying to access that data is a total nightmare.
And this one shows the huge gap between the top performers and everybody else. High-performing sales leaders are 4.5 times more likely to have a single, unified view of their customer. That's not a coincidence. That is a massive competitive advantage.
So how do you solve this? Well, technology does it by bringing everything together into one single source of truth. Just imagine giving your team one screen with the customer's entire history, every interaction, every open case, everything, and then making that available on any device, anywhere in the world. That is how you empower a modern sales team.
Okay, let's talk about bottleneck number 3, because this is where things get really chaotic inside the team. We have all been there, right? Those endless email chains just to get a simple discount approved, or trying to loop in a technical expert. Email was just never built for complex collaboration, and it creates these huge delays that stall your deals.
And all of that internal confusion, it has real external consequences. As the sales expert Hannah Ajikawo puts it, when your team isn't clear and aligned, you don't give prospects a compelling reason to engage. That lack of a clear next step is a huge reason why prospects just ghost you after what felt like a really great call. The answer here is to get these important conversations out of the inbox and onto a collaborative platform. This keeps the entire history of the deal in one place. You can use mobile alerts to speed up approvals, and it makes it super easy to assign tasks to the right people. It frees up your team to actually sell, not just sift through hundreds of emails.
And this same idea applies to reporting. Instead of burning hours and hours in meetings where everyone is manually pulling numbers into spreadsheets, you can use real-time dashboards. This gives everybody instant visibility into the key metrics, so you can spend your time acting on the data, not just gathering it.
Bottleneck number 5 is a headache for everyone, from reps to the finance team: complex quoting. Manually hunting for the right product codes, the right pricing, it just leads to errors and delays. The solution is something called CPQ, that stands for Configure Price Quote Technology. It's basically a guided system that automates the whole process, making sure every quote is accurate, professional, and gets out the door in minutes, not hours.
And that brings us to our final bottleneck: forecasting. Let's be honest, relying on spreadsheets is pretty much just organized guesswork.
Modern sales analytics completely changed the game. They analyze historical data, they look at real-time deal progress, and they create way more accurate predictions. This lets you forecast with confidence, and even tie that data back to team training and compensation, all based on real data, not just a gut feeling. So we've diagnosed the 6 big problems, and we've talked about the tech solutions. But what does this actually look like when a real company puts it all together? Let's take a look at Stokke. They're a premium global brand for children's furniture, managing retailers in over 80 countries. So you can imagine, they faced a massive challenge in coordinating their sales and support teams. Their old systems were really holding them back.
As their VP of Commercial, Jacob Olsterhob, said, they knew they needed to change. Their old approach was built on inaccurate data. Support was run entirely through email. It just meant they couldn't deliver that exceptional service that their brand was known for. So by bringing in a unified platform, Stokke solved multiple bottlenecks all at once. They gave their teams that complete 360-degree view of the customer we talked about. They enabled mobile ordering, they switched to real-time dashboards, and they dramatically improved collaboration. This wasn't just about being more efficient, it was a total transformation of their service quality.
Stokke's story is the perfect example of why this is so important. These aren't 6 separate little issues that you can just patch up one by one. No, they are all symptoms of an outdated, disconnected system that is slowing your entire business down.
So the path forward really requires a holistic approach. Unchoking your sales funnel isn't about patching holes. It's about upgrading the entire system. It means embracing technology that automates the manual work, provides that single source of truth, and connects your entire team so they can focus on what matters, the customer. At the end of the day, the technology to solve all these problems is here. It exists right now. So the real question isn't if you should do something about it, but where you're going to start. Which bottleneck are you going to eliminate first to set your team free? Thanks for joining us for this explainer.